Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encountered unexpected store exception, blue screen of death error, then watch this video to fix it. Now, the first thing we need to do is force shut down the computer. So we will keep pressing on the power key until the computer shuts down, and then we will press the power key again till the computer boots in the normal Windows operating system. Now the first time it should boot, but if it doesn't, try this 2-3 times and it should boot into the Windows operating system. Then we will immediately run the SFC scan. So we will click on run as administrator, or you can right click on it and click on run as administrator. Then enter the scan SFC space slash SCANNOW and press enter. I am not pressing enter because this scan takes quite some time and I would like to keep this video short for your convenience. Now once the scan is done, you can, or during the scan you can update the graphics card driver. So you can go to display adapter, right click on it and click on update driver, search automatically for drivers, and you need to also update all the necessary drivers like the Bluetooth drivers and your uh, keyboard drivers, your mice drivers, your network adapters, and that should be around it. If you have printer, scanner, or any peripheral devices which are connected to your system using the Bluetooth, then you need to update those drivers as well. Then we will also run the Windows update. Right click on the start button, go to settings, click on Windows update, and then click on check for updates. Go to advanced options, click on optional updates, and then install any driver updates here. Now the next thing we need to do is disable the file history. So go to file history, look for file history in the search bar. Alright, here it is. And then if file history is turned on, you need to turn it off. Now it is already off here for me, so I don't need to do anything about it. But if it's on for you, then switch it off. Alright. Now the next thing we need to do is delete the temporary files. So I'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then I'll go to system and look for storage. Here it is. And in this, I will wait for temporary files to load. Okay, it's loaded. Go on this and then I will select all these boxes, right? And I will click on remove files. Now here you see it's removing all these files, and that's about it. Now we will right click or use the device disk cleanup. All right, click on OK, and then we'll make sure that all these boxes are checked, and we'll click on OK, delete files, and wait for it to delete all the files. Great. And we'll just restart the computer by clicking on the start button, the power button, and the restart button, and you should no longer face this blue screen of death error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.